welcome to our first episode of the new year 2022. As you know, my name is Eric, and in this episode, I'm going to give you an equation that will lead us to derive our year 2022. Now, thank you very much for all the birthday messages and the Christmas wishes and the New Year wishes. I wish you same, and I want you to enjoy this with me. Right. So now let's look at our equation that will lead us to 2022. So find the value of x. So what we have is 4 to the 1012 minus 4 to the 1011 all over 3. Now this is equal to 2 to the x. So we are to find the value of x. So let's see what this equation will lead us to or what it will give us. So let's put here solution. Now, let's put our question here once again. So we have 4 to the 1012 minus 4 to the 1011 all over 3. This is equal to 2x. Sorry. This is equal to 2 to the x. So we have 2 to the x. So what we're going to do is that let's simplify the numerator part. So we shall have 4 to the 1012 can be simplified as 4 to the 1011 times 4 to the power of 1. All right. So that this will be minus, we have 4 to the power of 1011. So that this will agree with this. That is why we have to break this down into 4 to the 1011 times 4 to the power of 1. You know that when we have a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, the answer is the same as a raised to the power m plus n. So when the bases are equal and they are multiplying, we add their exponents according to the law, one of the laws of indices. All right. So what is going to happen here is that when we add 1011 to 1, we still have 1012. So this is the same as this. All right. So this we have it here, and this is the same as this. All right. So now let's write this over 3. This is equal to 2 to the x. And so what we're going to do here is that we can factor 4 out. So we have 4, which is a common factor over here. So 4 out. Then we have 4 to the 1011. All right. Minus here we have 4 out. That is we have 1 out, so we have 1 here to the multiplying 4 to 1011. All these over 3. This is equal to 2 to the x. All right, now we can use the other side of the board. We can change the ink. If it's not helping us, we can change the ink. So now let's rule a line over here. So now we shall have 4. Now when we subtract 1 from 4, we shall have 3. So we shall have here 3 to the multiplying 4 to 1011. All right. All this over 3 is equal to 2 to the x. This is what we have. All right. So now what we're going to do is 3 or cancel 3. We shall have 4 to the 1011 to be equal to 2 to the x. Now the basis, we have to make the basis the same. So we can rewrite 4 as 2 to the second, or 2 raised to the power 2. Now multiplying 1011, and this will be equal to 2 to the x. All right. Now when the bases are equal, we equate the exponents. So the exponents will be equal. So we shall have 2 multiplying 1011 to be equal to x. And when we multiply 2 by 1011, what shall we have? So let's have 1011 here multiplied by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 10 is 20. So we shall have 2022. So that will be the value of x. So we say Rx, which is our new year, is equal to 2022. And that is what I'm wishing you now. Now, to show you that life itself is not simple, 2022 will not be simple. Otherwise, we could have just said 2022, or we should have just written an equation and said that x minus 2021 will be equal to 2021 will be equal to 2022. So 2022. We could have just said that. And then what will happen is that we shall find our x to be equal to 2022 plus 2021. And that will be very simple. But life is not that simple. 2022 is not that simple as a year. So what we have to do is we have to do a little bit of a struggle, a little bit of application, a little bit of care, and then we shall arrive at 2022. So I wish you all the best. Now, please share my work, share my videos, follow me on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and uh, make sure you subscribe. That is very important. And thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.